Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how you can use script to be a very specific detail oriented information. Now over here I am going to use Zenmap, and in this I am targeting the organization that is scanme.nmap.org. Now over here I am checking for the version for all the open port, the very first thing. The second thing is that I am using the scripts which are present in the nmap about the title of the http. So if there is anything regarding this title, I will be able to see over here. So now you're able to see the output of this scan. So in this, what we are searching for is exactly present or not. So yes, you can see that we got the port, state, service and version because of the hyphen sv flag, which stands for the version. Next thing what I am getting is that there are something more about the http port. So what is this more information is, not only I am getting the state, service, version, also I am getting that what I can scan for. So over here we are getting http server header and http title. HTTP server header is using Apache 2.4.7 on Ubuntu. HTTP title is saying go ahead and scan me. That means there is something in this title of the HTTP service which we can scan, and we can find out whether vulnerability is there, or you can say the entry point to enter in the target organization, something like that. So that's the reason we are using this script. So this script gives a beautiful information about a particular service being running on the port. Now let's go for the title and header, that what information exactly we will get. Over here now I am specifying header also, that is http header. Okay, it should be http header. Now we can go for the scan. Now here if you see we got a error. So why this error is displaying? Because in the previous scan, okay, for this scan what we got the information is it is http server header, not http header only. So that the reason there was a false, or you can say the process or the scan was not successfully terminated. So instead of uh, typing any stuff, you should be very clear that what instruction is given for what you can check. Now let's just copy this http server header and paste and see whether we are getting the proper output or not. Okay, that's it. Let's again go for the scanning process. So it's trying to scan something based on the given command. So we have to wait for a few minutes that what actually commands we are, or you can say the output we are getting for the specific scan. Now here again you can see that we got the same output, there is no changes because we have done nothing but simply I have specified one more thing, that http server header and http title also. So that's the reason it's giving me the same stuff again. So this is the way you can use scripts for scanning the header for http. Instead of this you can also go for the ssh, smtp, or the other open ports which are there. So before going for the scripts, be sure that your target or whom you are targeting is open or it's alive. So for that just simply ping the target organization, and for that the very simple command is nmap scan me dot, suppose I am targeting is scanme.nmap.org. So that's the reason the very basic scanning command is scanme.nmap.org. So you can simply ping this to check whether the particular target is active or live or not. So before beginning with any script, just make sure your target is live and active. So yeah, my target or host is up, so I am good to go. So I hope you understand the script using and how you can get the detailed information. So thank you so much for watching.